Hello, I'm Kevin, and this is The Real Way to Make Money Online. So this week, I'll talk about this design. I guess this niche is still selling. I'm out of it. I've said before, Amazon gave a hint that they were going to start removing designs. And I've already had one design removed, so I couldn't afford another one. So I deleted mine, which was selling pretty good, better than these guys. This is the first one I saw of this particular niche, Elements of Truth, Ruth Bader Ginsberg. This was the second one. They both had really good BSRs when I saw them, but are now yucky. 1 million, 1.2 million, 1.3 million, and these were 100,000 or less. Both when I saw them. This one's even worse, 2 million. So why aren't they selling anymore? Because the competition came in and kicked their butts. These are bad designs. Now all white is okay. Let's go back to this one. Hi, Amazon. The fonts, bad choice. Right here. This is a science. It's supposed to be science, right? How many science niches use that cursive? Or this one, it's a little better, but it's a fun font. Science isn't a fun font niche. So I'll show you what I did. Since I can't find my designs, I must have deleted them, which is rare. I don't usually do that. The first thing I did, instead of making a box, because then it would be a one plain color. Well, I could change the color, but it would be too much trouble. Get the old pen tool out. You can just press P, but I usually just go over here. Get you a line, hold down Shift, and it'll give you a straight line. And then, okay, we're going to change the color here to white. Pop up the stroke. That's probably good. Now it's got a round cap. We don't want that. We need a straight square cap. Then we can go to the move tool. Probably want that a little bigger. Should be good. Control J to duplicate. Hold down Shift to keep a straight line. It'll move in 15-degree increments. Okay, I'm going to hold down Alt to duplicate, then Shift to keep a straight line. You can let go of Alt as soon as you start moving. And the same thing here. Alt Shift, now I let go of Alt. And now I've got my perfect square, and I can change the colors. Now, if I only remembered what colors I used, I know. Whoops. Let's switch that. Same here. It stayed on stroke, or didn't stay on stroke. And I want these on top. Whoop. Wrong section. Alright, so the red's going to go straight across. And these two, did I make blue? Oh my god, I did it again. Might have been blue, might have been green. So let's look, see how green looks. And again. Well, that just kind of looks like Christmas, doesn't it? Maybe it... Oh my God, would you quit that? Too dark and you can't see. Ooh, maybe I used a purple. Red and purple though? No, I didn't use purple. Or I didn't use red. Okay, I paused and found a color scheme I liked. So we're gonna group these. Hold down Shift and Control G. Now I can copy it once. Alt and Shift. I want it over there. Then again, Alt Shift. Oh, it's going to be a pain, so I'll use my arrow keys. That looks about right. Now this one, hold down Shift. And that's how I did my blocks. Instead of the same pattern all the way across, switch it up. More aesthetic that way. Okay, so let's take a peek at this. Yeah. 129, 5, and 119. I don't know if those numbers mean anything, but they're not the numbers I used. The numbers I used... Let's go get some text in here first. I looked up her, the year she was born, the year she became a Supreme Court Justice, and of course, I didn't have to look up the year she died. And those are what I used. Let's hit Cap Lock. I'm going to use, I don't know what font I used, but I just found this one and I like it. Whoops. Let's change the color first. Ooh, maybe I don't like it for this though. No, I don't. Well, let's see. I like this one because it's not a serif font, but it kind of looks serif. This design needs a serif, but the problem I find with t-shirts and serif is the lines are usually pretty thin, and I'm afraid after a few washings they'll just disappear and I'll get bad reviews, so I don't use them. But I do need to find a better font for this. This is really a good font actually, but not for this design. So I'm going to pause and find something. Okay. I forgot I had this font. I just went straight down my list. So I found something. This is called Sheriff. I got this from Creative Fabrica. But one thing I want to do first, hold down Shift, select all three of these boxes, and center them. That looks a lot better. I'm going to have to resize these anyway, but is there anything on top? No. So the next thing I want to do is select all and bring that up about there. I never go straight to the top. I'll worry about these in a minute. So now, need numbers. Let's do it down here. That's too big. Let's say, I don't know when she was born. Let's just go 1935. How old was she? Doesn't have to be perfect here. It was perfect when I made it. That's what matters. And then she became a justice in the 90s. Clinton appointed, so he's a 90s president. So let's just go right down the middle. And the year she died. It went right back to font. I still haven't emailed them and asked them why that happens. I don't like it though. Ooh, that's not the same. There we go. So, pop that in the corner. I'll adjust them better in a second. I need a box. Ooh, without a stroke. And find a color I didn't use. Why is the stroke still there? Oh, that's why, damn it. There. Make this longer so I can see what's going on. Hit V for the move tool. I think I need to see better. That's Control and the plus key to zoom in. Yeah, that is not where I need it to be. Okay. That's good. Yeah, I always want things, even if people can't tell. And they can't if it's just a little off, but always get them as close as possible. Now, Control 0 gets us back to regular. Let's pull that out of the way. Okay. Let's pop a look at this again. I don't think I put anything underneath. Okay, so we go back here. It's probably big enough. Get my microphone out of the way so I can type. Oops. Nah, no cap locks. And just shrink it. Pop down here. V to move. And I want it even with the edges, but it's giving me the center of the lines. I'll zoom back out with Control Plus. Give myself a nice guide. I think that's the edge. Yeah. And another one over here. Bring it back out. Control 0. And now it's all lined up. And that's about the shirt I did. I don't think it's... I'm still not sure of the colors, but Anyway, this shirt beat the crap out of these two. These were the only two uploaded in this niche when I saw them. Mine was the third. And I know I was beating the crap out of them because my shirts were selling and my BSR was dropping, while these two BSRs were going up. So, that is how you take a shirt that's getting sales but doesn't look good and turn it into something that looks a whole lot better. Fonts are important. There are some fonts you use with some niches that you can't use with others. And in this niche, I would not use a fun font. No cursive, no script. Nothing bouncy, fluffy, foofy. Just good, strong, solid fonts. So that's it for this week. If you like what you saw, leave a like. Drop a few comments. Tell me what you think. How you would make it better. And subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you next time.